This video I'm going to be sharing with you the top 5 highest paying faceless YouTube automation niche that could make you money. So in this video we're going to be covering each niche, their benefit and also their earning potential. If you want to know which of out of this niche is making the most amount of money, I'm going to advise you stick to the end of this video and do not skip any part of the video. The first niche we're going to be looking at right here in this video is the travel niche, and guys, this niche is an evergreen niche with very high demand. And one thing I love about this niche is that it is cheap and easy to start. Also, the video production process is kind of affordable, so if in case you want to outsource this thing right here to freelancers on Fiverr or anywhere, you could literally just hire them at a cheaper rate and I'm gonna be getting this done for you guys. So you could literally make up to $4 to $6 per 1,000 views right here from this niche. And this niche has various monetization options, so you could either monetize it through affiliate marketing or you could either monetize it through restaurants and hotels. So you could literally just create a dedicated video for an hotel right here, literally exploring around their hotel, walking through people what they're going to be getting if they patronize this hotel. So this is kind of you getting a brand deal right here from this. And guys, this is one of the best niche you could start right here on YouTube. And again, one thing I love about this niche is that it's not necessary for you to travel around the world for you to be able to create this kind of video. So you could literally just go online to get different kind of images and video, put them together right here, and then you have the full video for your channel. Second niche we're going to be looking at right here on my list is the motivational niche, and guys, this niche is also one of the best niche out there that you could literally start a YouTube channel all about. So the cost of starting this kind of YouTube channel is literally cheap and easy to produce, so you could literally earn about $7 to $10 per 1,000 views. So if you're going to be making money through AdSense, you could expect to make $7 to $10 per 1,000 view you get on your video. Also, it also has various monetization options like Match, Google AdSense and other stuff. You could literally just create a YouTube channel about motivation, so you could just pump out a lot of videos, deliver value. So if you are providing a lot of value and you're creating great quality videos right here on your channel is gonna grow and you're gonna start making money from your channel. So the third niche we're gonna be looking at right here on my list is the tech niche, and guys, this niche is also one of the best niche right here on YouTube because this niche has a very broad audience of people, and again, they have a very loyal fan base of people because everybody literally likes tech in general, even including me. I love a lot of tech videos. I do watch a lot of tech videos, so this niche right here is one of the best niche that you could literally start right here in 2024, and you could literally earn anywhere from $4 to $7 per 1,000 view right here from your channel. And also, it also has various monetization options like sponsorship, brand deals, Google AdSense and a lot. So you could literally just create tech videos right here, create review about different kind of gadgets right here, post them on your channel. And guys, it's not even necessary for you to buy the product yourself. You could just get some random videos from the Amazon website right here. You could just create an account using the Amazon official website, so you could just sign up as an affiliate with them. So you're going to be seeing different kind of video that you could just put together. Just make sure you pull this video, you edit this video in your own style, so you aren't going to get any kind of copyright strike. And also, if you have the money to buy these gadgets right here, you could just make a review about them on your channel, post them on your channel, then tell your viewers right here to go check out the link in the description if in case they want to test out the product. So guys, if you know you're getting any value from the video so far, I'm going to advise you smash that subscribe button right here and turn on the notification bell, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Guys, the next niche we're going to be looking at right here on my list right here is the luxury niche, and guys, this niche has a very loyal fan base of people. And also, it is very easy to produce because everybody literally loves luxury. So you could literally just create a video about top 5 cars, the best 5 cars in the market, or you could literally just create videos about the top best cars in the world right here. You could just get some of the footage, some of the video from iStock image and put them together right here, then post this video on your channel. And by the way, there's a lot of websites where you could literally get different kind of clips right here that you could use for your videos in your luxury niche. And by the way, you could literally earn about $8 to $12 per 1,000 views right here on your video. And also, this niche also has different monetization options like affiliate marketing, restaurants, car loans, and a lot of monetization options that comes with the niche. So basically, anyone could literally just start this kind of YouTube channel and start making money from them. So all you need to do is to just create high quality video. If you could create high quality video, then you have a good editing on your video right here, your channel is gonna grow, people are gonna subscribe to your channel, and you're gonna be making a lot of money for yourself. Fifth list right here, my niche is one of the biggest niche out here on YouTube, which is the Shopify niche, and this niche literally has a very high RPM and also a very high CPM. But if you don't know what CPM means, CPM means revenue per million. So this means the amount of money advertisers are going to be paying on your video. So that is the amount of money advertisers are willing to pay per video on your channel. So that is just what CPM means. Why RPM is how much money you're going to be getting per 1,000 views on your video. So for the Shopify niche right here, you could literally earn anywhere from $35 to $85 per 1,000 view. And also it also has different kind of monetization option like e-commerce, AdSense. You could literally just sell your product right here, sell your courses and all of that right here if you are creating this kind of channel on YouTube. An example of that right here is this guy, and this guy is really making a lot of money right here from his YouTube channel. Apart from AdSense, he has other monetization option like I just mentioned right here, and they are making close to like $10,000 every single month from YouTube. So you guys might be wondering, okay, why is this guy making a lot of money compared to other channels? So the reason these guys are making a lot of money is because advertisers are really willing to pay a lot of money to get in front of their audience compared to other kind of niche. And again, you guys know that this need to deal with softwares, e-commerce stores and all of that, and they're going to be getting a monthly recurring commission if they are willing to get people right here to pay for this kind of software. So that's the reason why they're literally paying a lot of money right here now to get in front of this audience. So if you have been thinking of starting a YouTube channel for yourself, then I'm going to say this is the best time for you to start a YouTube channel so you will start making money for yourself. So you guys should make sure you are always being consistent, because that is how just the YouTube thing work. You need to be consistent. Consistent is the key. Once you are being consistent, once you are creating good value content for your audience right here, you're gonna grow, and yeah, you're also gonna be making money from doing what you love. If you really found the video helpful, consider smashing the subscribe button right here and like the video. And also, if you also want to check out more ways you could use to make money on YouTube, I'm gonna advise you click on the video popping right here on your screen, and I'm gonna see you guys right here in the video.